If you want to schedule your posts in advance on Facebook and Instagram, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it using Meta Business Suite. First, go to business.facebook.com and log into your account. You can also use the Meta Business Suite mobile app. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Create Post. Next, choose where you want your content to go, Facebook, Instagram, or both. Now, write your caption and upload your photo or video by clicking Add Photo/Video. After your content is ready, don't click Publish yet. Instead, click the drop-down arrow next to the Publish button. Then select Schedule Post. A calendar will appear. Choose the date and time you want your post to go live. Try scheduling at a time when your audience is most active. Once you've selected the date and time, click Schedule to confirm. That's it. Your post is now scheduled. If you want to edit or reschedule it later, go to the Planner tab inside Meta Business Suite. There, you can view all upcoming posts and make changes if needed. And that's how you schedule posts using Meta Business Suite in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, like and subscribe for more social media growth tips.